Ayun, nandito tayo sa Japan. Hintay kami ng sa gate 55 na yun. Yan. Ang ganda ng ano dito, carpete dito sa Japan. Ganda ng mga waiting area. Big videos. Dito sa labas, aeroplano namin.
Regardless of membership status and boarding class, passengers will be asked to proceed with boarding groups. Starting from the window seat, the gate number is 15.
Tapos ito yung coffee shop, nagkaano ka lang, bumili akong kape dyan. Tapos may alak ni silang tinda siya.
Please give a reasonable distance from the
Ang tanggap na ano.
and boarding. Also,
So ito yung ano, Narita Airport.
your hand before. The hand sanitizer is located after passing through the boarding.
Si kabayan niyang lahing
We appreciate
Pilipino.
your understanding and
Siya yung security ano
When the
dito,
doors are closed at the boarding,
officer.
you will not be able to use